Hi, I'm Dr. Todd Shakin, and welcome to this Monday Morning Minute. Today I want to give you a tip of the week. And this is something I've been using in my dental practice for years, and it really saves me a lot of time and a lot of grief. There's two instruments that are a must-have for your dental practice. It's not something that Shatkin First sells, but I'm going to tell you where to buy it. And I'm going to tell you that it's a must, and it's not going to cost you much money. You need to have these in your office. In fact, you need to have several of them in your office because I use them all day long. The first is what I call it a crown tapper. It's a crown remover instrument. It's got a hook on the end and it's got a spring here. This is from Carl Schumacher. Both these instruments are made by Carl Schumacher. I'm sure you can get them at other locations, other companies, but I've bought these from Carl Schumacher for years. I really like that company. They have some specialty products that help everyday practitioners. This is a spring-loaded crown remover. It's great to remove your temporaries, and it's great if you have a loose crown or a loose bridge. It's very, very simple to use. You take the hook and you get it underneath the edge of the restoration, and it's going to be a little hard for me to show you, but you take it, you take the hook, and you pop it off. And what will happen is the crowns will pop right off. You may have to do it once or twice. You don't want to go like this a bunch of times. You want to do it one time. If it doesn't come off one time, do it again. You got to warn the patient it's going to be loud, it's going to be a little bit scary, but it should pop off with one full pop, okay? This is a must-have in a dental office for anybody who makes crown and bridge work or implant work. The temporaries pop off very easily with this. You don't have to give it a full, that one you can do it like a half. If you're trying to remove a permanent crown, you need a full tap, okay? The other instrument that I think is a must-have in a dental office is what I call a crown twister. Now this is a crown remover. Essentially, all you do is make a slit in the side of the crown, put the key of this instrument in there, and just twist until the crown loosens, and then you can pull it right off, either with your fingers or even with a crown tapper. But you twist and turn, and it's got three different ways to do it. You can go like this, you can go like this, and you can go like this. You'll see there's a slot on all sides of this so that you can twist and turn that crown off. These instruments come so handy for me in my office. Every day I use these instruments, both of them. You got to get them. You get them from Carl Schumacher Dental. That's your tip of the week. I'll see you next week on the Monday Morning Minute.
Good morning. I'd like to talk to you about a few products at Shatkin First that are really getting a lot of feel. This is the Osteogen plugs. They come in large and slim, and they also come in strips. There's 5 plugs in each one of these boxes. I'll tell you, it's a great way to do bone grafting. This Osteogen, I know Dr. Shakin and Dr. Powers are using it every day, and a ton of dentists throughout the country who call us and order it. So Kev, Nick, and I got together. We want to make a special offer to anyone who's interested in the Osteogen this week. If you buy 4 Osteogen plugs, either in slim or large, we're going to give you the 5th one free. So it's a killer deal. Take advantage of that. And I also wanted to talk a little bit about our sutures. I know we don't talk about these a lot, but we do have 3-gauge and 4-gauge sutures. They come in a dozen. They are reabsorbable sutures, and they work great. We have the same exact deal going. If you buy 4 packages of this, we'll give you the 5th one free. We have one more thing to talk about. I hope everyone's wearing their N95 masks. These N95 masks are made right here in Buffalo, New York. This beautiful red, white, and blue box is the way to go as far as using a mask that's made in America and the N95 filtration. It's so important. I know Dr. Shakin's been talking about it for the last few months, but take advantage of the deal that we have. These are $2 a piece. They come in a box of 25. They're all individually wrapped. You can either get ear loops or headbands, and once you and the staff are wearing these, everybody's going to be healthier. And sell these to your patients. $4 in the scheme of things for an N95 mask is incredibly affordable for an N95. This isn't coming from China. It's not a KN95. It's an N95 Shack First mask. And just a reminder, don't forget about our advanced in-person mini dental implant lecture on March 11th and 12th. That's a Thursday and a Friday right here in Buffalo. And we're excited to get everyone back into the world's largest mini dental implant training facility. And on the 13th, which is Saturday, Dr. Matt LaSorsa will be here in Buffalo teaching everyone about LPRF. And just like Dr. Robert Miller taught us out at the International Academy of Mini Dental Implants meeting in Park City, Utah, there's no better way to graft a site than to use LPRF bone grafting and OsteoGen. We're also going to have a course in April, May, so go to shackandfirst.com to see when you can make it out to Buffalo. And keep in mind, this August we're going to be down in Disney, and our Academy meeting is going to be held in September in Nashville, Tennessee. So we're hoping to see all of you out in Nashville. Remember, Mark Aaron says this is the year of the mini implant. We agree with him. Let's make this year your best year ever. And we look forward to seeing you next week on the Monday Morning Minute.